Hey folks, this is Matt Roth with the Boat House. Today I'm on an Everglades 315 in Marco Island, Florida, and I wanted to go over some of the reasons why I believe Everglades is a great boat for Marco Island. All right, so some of our favorite features aboard an Everglades, really the main one is going to be ride quality. And what ride quality comes down to, a lot of it, is the construction of the hull. So with Everglades, they use a process called ram cap. And ram cap is going to be they design the hull and then they mold 6-pound density foam logs throughout the hull before placing the deck and cap aboard the boat. What that allows Everglades to do is to 100% know that every single portion of the boat is supported by this 6-pound density foam. And what it does is it absorbs the sound. So when you're in an Everglades, it's a very quiet ride quality, very solid. They are known to be one of the heaviest boats in the industry because of this, and great riding because of it as well. Another really important feature for our customers down here in Marco is not only a dedicated fishing boat here in the center console, but really the luxurious and plush seating for family or other guests that are coming aboard to enjoy the day. Not only are we fishing quite a bit here in Marco Island, but we do like to go to a sandbar as well as go to do a beach day, and seating is very important when it comes to that stuff. Last but not least here with Everglades Boats is their motto is actually built for beyond. The reason that is their motto is every single feature aboard this boat is 100% overbuilt. If you look at the size of their cleats, the size of their hardware, the fact that there are no unfinished products or fiberglass throughout the whole entire boat, these are some of the premium features that makes an Everglades an Everglades. Thanks for watching, guys.